So you want to learn game development but don't know where to start? That's exactly why I wrote A Beginner's Guide to Godot 4. This book takes you from your very first steps in Godot to building complete 2D and 3D games step by step. In the book, you'll build a 2D platformer from scratch. And by the end, you won't just know how to make a single level, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to expand and create entirely new levels and mechanics on your own. Here's just a glimpse of what I was able to create using the exact same foundations you'll learn in your book. Once you understand the principles, the possibilities are endless. And it doesn't stop there. Together, we'll also create a 3D platformer, so you'll be comfortable working in both 2D and 3D inside Godot. But don't just take my word for it. Readers on Amazon have already given the book 5-star reviews, praising how accessible and practical it is for complete beginners. So, if you're ready to start your game development journey with Godot, this book is the perfect starting point. Grab your copy today and take your first step into making your very own games.